Hello and welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Brian Oginga, and in this channel we talk about everything Django, backend development and building real-world products. Today I want to take a 3-minute pause to reflect on the year 2025. So I'm going to share with you some of the highlights of my year, and also I'm going to give an update on the channel at the end of the video. So stick with me to the end and let's go through this together. So to me, 2025 wasn't just about the code, it was about the connections from the developers that we connected with in the developer conference across the year, to people who reached out for mentorship, as well as all of you who engaged with the video by subscribing, liking, and also sharing. So I want to thank all of you for the 400 plus subscribers that we have garnered so far this year. It might seem like a small number, but that really means a lot to me and to the Django community. So for everybody who engaged the video, I want to say a huge thank you. And for the build side of it, I've managed to tackle a lot of projects ranging from Django tenants, payment integrations, and so much more. And one of the products that seems to stand out this year is LendPoint. That is the first microfinance SaaS that I was able to build and launch this year. So it's been a lot of learning from the back end to the front end, and also wrestling with the DevOps. And then lastly, just for a channel update, as you all know that the development landscape has changed a lot. There's been a lot of evolution of how developers are learning. So for that reason, therefore, I wanted to just change a little bit how I will be delivering content here. Of course, I'll still be making coding tutorials. The thing that is going to change is that I'm going to be inviting guest creators. Those are going to be people from different fields. They're going to be experts from cloud, machine learning, DevOps, and we'll be having candid conversations with them here in the channel. We'll also be having hands-on coding sessions with them as well. And then the next one is that I will also be having live coding sessions that is going to be once per week. So that is it for the channel update. And then lastly, I want to share with you the last update, and that is going to be my store. As you all know that the channel is small, we haven't been monetized yet. So the only way to keep it moving is to launch a store. So I know you've all been supporting the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing the videos. But if you want to do more than that, I do have some digital products in my store, which you can go and check out, ranging from merch to an ebook on Django tenants. So that is it, guys. That wraps up the update and the 2025 review for the channel. So thank you. Have a nice holiday and see you in 2026.